Hi, I'm Tony from Yacht Controller. I'm here on this 640 Flybridge Galleon. We're here at the Marine Max Galleon Rendezvous in sunny Key West, Florida. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our wireless controllers. We have our dual band and wireless joystick controls, both of which are compatible with any straight shaft configuration and IPS propulsion as well, to give you control of your engines, your thruster, and your anchor windlass via complete digital plug-and-play interface communication protocol by CAN bus, allowing us to add the Yacht Controller as an additional station on board the vessel. The product is designed to allow a boater to walk away from the vessel with complete control in the palm of their hands, eliminating blind spots, putting you at ease to be able to control a boat of this size. I thank you for the opportunity. Please visit us at www.yachtcontroller.com. Thank you.